Okay.
Hello.
Is it?
What is it?
Is it an iPad?
No.
An
It's not.
iPad Air 2?
Nope.
What?
What is it?
Go put it up. It opens on the side. It's like a magnet. Yeah, it's pretty cool actually. You kind of got it upside down now. There you go.
It's not the iPad.
So what is it? It's a new case.
Kind of hard time. There's a cord here too. Make sure you don't throw away the box. Okay, there you go.
I see 'em.
Now, when you save up your money to get your iPad, you've got your case.
You got a case to put it in. So how close are you?
I have like $91.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you only need like $310 and you're good.
Yes.
Isn't that cool? And
Yeah.
it's just like Mommy Daddy's.
Mhm.
And it is yours. Well, it's not yours. That's
And Jonah, since he's got a nice case now, you can have the red one. So you can have two. But Jonah, go on to bed. Go on my bed in there.